Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, discuss with you, Enence Instant Voice Translator device. So, you might be wondering, what is the Enence Instant Voice Translator that you may be hearing or seeing online? So, Enence Instant Voice Translator is a portable handheld translation device designed to provide real-time two-way voice translation between people speaking different languages. According to the website here, it supports 66 languages, uses speech recognition technology, and translates spoken conversations within seconds. The device can also be used as a language learning tool by helping users practice pronunciation and conversations. According to the manufacturer here, Enence work by recognizing your speech, translating it into the selected language, and playing the translated audio through the built-in speaker. During a conversation here, each person takes turns speaking into the device, allowing for back and forth communication. The company also states that the translation work together with a smartphone and does not require any subscription fees for after purchase. Now, to use the Enence here, or to use the actual device, you just need to turn on the device, pair it with your smartphone if required, and select the two languages you want to translate. Press and hold the A button while speaking your language here, then release it to hear the translation. Now, when the other person replies, press and hold the B button, let them speak, and release it to hear their response translated back into your language. Official website here states that Enence offers free worldwide shipping, 30-day money-back guarantee, and sports translation in 66 languages. Now, pricing and promotions may vary over time, so visiting their website is highly recommended. Now, currently, if you're going to buy one translator here, it costs around $184 for one device, but they do give you some discounts, like you could get two translators for $185 here, and more discounts if you buy 3 or 4 translators. Now, if you're interested with this specific device here, doing your own research and checking sources and reviews outside the website is highly recommended, just to help you to make a better purchasing decision. But this applies for anything that you're buying online. But that's about it. So for this video, avoid the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.